Kelvin. This is courtesy of Tameron Hyundai. Inquiring about some vehicles you're after. So you're looking for an SUV in a $13,000 price range. We got multiple ones here on the lot. This is a beautiful 13 Ford Escape, loaded with features, beautiful body lines, plenty of cargo space, plenty of space for children, wife, and more. It's got loads of features inside. Great tread on the tires. Said beautiful body lines, sharp little car. Real nice in-dash. Loaded with features. Plenty of room. Very good shape. Do what you're looking for and more. Plenty of room in the back for baseball bats, any kind of activity stuff for children. Got any more questions, give me a call at 380-6250. My name is Curtis again, 380-6250.